WORKPRO cordless rotary tool. That's everything in the box. Let's check out these features from bottom up. The battery indicator, speed control buttons, that's the speed indicator light, a hook, on and off button, and a spindle lock. It always starts at the lowest speed setting, which is a great feature, safety feature, and it does not remember the previous speed setting. Let me remove the battery for safety reasons, so there's no way I could hurt myself. So the spindle lock, in order to change the bits, we press it down in certain positions. It cannot be, fully depressed. Then use the wrench, and there you go. We can change the bits. Insert a bit and tighten. Make sure to use safety goggles. Polishing rusty surface. Wood carving. Drilling. Sanding tool. These are the technical specifications of this tool. If you're interested, you can pause the video and read. The other end of the wrench can also be used as a flathead screwdriver for changing the bits. The charger is rated at 27 watts at 13 3.5 volts and 2 amps. 1 hour quick charger. Let's measure the charging power using a power meter. See if it is truly the rated 27. It's impossible to reverse the positive and negative thanks to these two notches. So it will only fit in one way, although it's a triangle shape. I'm getting almost 31 watts. So that's actually pretty fast for a battery of this size. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.